Fellow explorers, welcome to Burkittsville. This is a free-flow attraction that is designed to scare you. There are live actors who may touch you but will not harm you. Anyone disrupting the experience in any way will be escorted from the resort. There is no running, stopping, or turning back unless instructed to do so. The Blair Witch, she may be behind you. Smoke effects, loud noises, and confined spaces all form parts of your trek. If you are asthmatic, suffer from neck or heart problems, are claustrophobic or pregnant, we advise you do not go ahead. There is uneven flooring throughout. Make sure you take special care throughout your trip. There's something evil lurking in the woods. Dare you enter after nightfall?
So, you're the ones who want to see the spot where I found the footage? Let's go, come on. I don't want to be out here for too long. The truth is, the problem's not the town, or even the people there. It's the woods. Possibly what might just be in there. Witch. They say, coming closer, they say she can control time. Keep the woods in a perpetual state of darkness. Keep you going in circles, gets inside your head. Makes you vulnerable. When you're vulnerable, bang! She's got you. I got one or two of you. Don't deny it. Now listen. I'm not messing with you. I didn't put that there. Let's just get in here, right? Down this way. Look, I really hope that all of you find what you're looking for, but I'm not going now. Safety in numbers won't help you. I'd like to give you one piece of advice. When you're in there, don't go in the house.
Josh! Josh, please! Josh, God! No! No, you're not real! Don't be real! No! Josh, please! That's the thing! Alright! Hey, Josh, please! There's no way out! You're never gonna get out of this!
No, 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 no. No, no. Listen, have you seen it? Have you seen it? Son. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Son.
God! She's in my head! She's in my head! God! Get out of it! I don't trust you, you're alive! The sun will come up! The sun will come up! The sun! It's been for 5 days! 5 days!
This is all your idea, wasn't it?
No! You! Oh, fuck it! Get off
It's circles! It's circles!